Jellyfish are fascinating creatures that have intrigued humans for centuries. They are known for their delicate beauty and their unique ability to move through the water effortlessly. Welcome to the jellyfish world, a fascinating and mysterious underwater realm that is home to some of the most unique and intriguing creatures on the planet. In this video, we will explore the different types of jellyfish, their physical characteristics, their behavior, and their importance in the ecosystem. Jellyfish are invertebrates that belong to the phylum Cnidaria. They are also known as sea jellies or medusae. Jellyfish have a radial symmetry, which means that their body parts are arranged around a central axis. This allows jellyfish to detect and respond to stimuli from all directions. They are made up of a bell-shaped body that contains tentacles, which are used for feeding and defense. The tentacles are covered in specialized cells called nematocysts, which can deliver a painful sting to predators or prey. Jellyfish do not have a brain or central nervous system, but they do have a network of nerve cells that allow them to respond to their environment. The mouth of a jellyfish is located on the underside of its bell-shaped body and leads to a simple digestive system that is open at both ends. Jellyfish can capture and ingest small organisms with their tentacles and then digest them in their digestive cavity. The body of a jellyfish is composed of a thin layer of tissue that encloses a gelatinous substance called mesoglea. This substance is similar to the consistency of jelly and gives jellyfish their characteristic transparency. Jellyfish have separate male and female reproductive organs and can reproduce sexually or asexually, depending on the species. They release their eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs. The physical characteristics of jellyfish are well suited to their marine environment, allowing them to move, feed, and reproduce efficiently in the open ocean. Jellyfish behavior is a fascinating subject that has been studied by marine biologists for many years. While jellyfish may seem like passive, drifting creatures, they actually exhibit a variety of behaviors that allow them to navigate their environment, capture prey, and avoid predators. Here are some of the most notable behaviors of jellyfish. Jellyfish are capable of swimming by pulsing their bell-shaped body, which creates a current of water that propels them forward. They can also swim vertically by contracting and expanding their bell. Some species of jellyfish exhibit a behavior known as aggregation, where large numbers of individuals come together in a specific area. This behavior is thought to be related to reproduction, feeding, or predator avoidance. While jellyfish are not particularly fast swimmers, they have a variety of mechanisms for avoiding predators. Some species have long, trailing tentacles that can deliver a painful sting, while others have transparent bodies that make them difficult to see. Jellyfish are carnivorous and feed on a variety of small organisms, such as plankton, fish larvae, and crustaceans. They use their tentacles to capture their prey and then bring the prey to their mouth, located on the underside of their bell, to ingest it. Some species of jellyfish exhibit a behavior known as diurnal migration, where they move vertically in the water column over the course of a day. This behavior is thought to be related to feeding, predator avoidance, or avoiding UV radiation. Jellyfish are capable of regenerating lost body parts, including their bell and tentacles. This allows them to recover from injury or damage to their body. Jellyfish have a unique reproductive cycle that includes both sexual and asexual reproduction. They release their eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs, and then the larvae develop into polyps before eventually developing into adult jellyfish. Jellyfish exhibit a range of behaviors that allow them to survive and thrive in their marine environment. While they may seem like simple creatures, they are actually quite complex and have evolved a variety of mechanisms for navigating their world. Jellyfish may seem like strange and mysterious creatures, but they play an important role in marine ecosystems around the world. Jellyfish are an important food source for a wide variety of marine predators, including sea turtles, fish, and birds. They provide essential nutrition and energy for these animals, helping to sustain their populations. Jellyfish compete with other marine organisms, such as zooplankton and small fish, for resources such as food and oxygen. By keeping these populations in check, jellyfish help to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. Jellyfish can help to transport nutrients and organic matter from deeper waters to surface waters, where they can be used by other organisms. This process, known as nutrient cycling, is an important part of marine ecosystems. Jellyfish can provide habitat for a variety of other marine organisms, such as small fish and crustaceans, which can take refuge in their tentacles or hide among their body parts. Jellyfish populations can be affected by changes in temperature, salinity, and other environmental factors. As such, they can serve as important indicators of changes in the marine ecosystem, providing early warning signs of environmental problems. Jellyfish play a critical role in maintaining the health and functioning of marine ecosystems around the world. While they may be seen as strange or mysterious creatures, they are an important part of the web of life in the ocean, and their presence is essential for the survival of many other marine organisms. The most common types of jellyfish include the moon jellyfish, box jellyfish, lion's mane jellyfish, and the blue blubber jellyfish. They can be found in every ocean and sea in the world, from the surface to the deepest depths. While jellyfish may be fascinating creatures, they can also have a significant impact on humans in a number of ways. Here are some of the ways in which jellyfish can interact with humans. Jellyfish stings are a common occurrence for people swimming in the ocean and can be quite painful. The severity of a sting can vary depending on the species of jellyfish, with some causing only minor irritation and others potentially causing more serious health problems. Some species of jellyfish can have a negative impact on commercial fisheries, as they can compete with other marine organisms for resources or clog fishing nets. In some areas, jellyfish can affect tourism by creating a nuisance or posing a safety hazard to swimmers. Jellyfish toxins have been studied for their potential medical uses, such as for pain relief or as a treatment for heart conditions. Jellyfish are often used as educational tools to teach people about marine ecosystems and the importance of conservation. They can also serve as indicators of environmental change, providing information about the health of marine ecosystems. While jellyfish may have some negative impacts on humans, they are an important part of marine ecosystems and can provide valuable insights into the health and functioning of these environments. By understanding the interactions between humans and jellyfish, we can work towards better management and conservation of marine ecosystems and reduce negative impacts on both humans and the environment.